Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Home Learning Together with Mrs. A. So today I got this game for Maya. She's 2 years old. It was £2 and I got it from The Works. I'll put the link down below, so check it out. So I've never used this before. Can you try and open it, Maya? Let's see how to open it. Wait. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, cool.
Mama did it. Mama did it.
Can you try and get them out slowly? Slowly, wait, let's see. Put it down. Like that, they're coming out. See? There you go.
I want to do it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Wow. So what are these, Maya?
Letters.
Letters. Good. Anything else?
Yeah. And yeah.
Awesome. So you can see that there is animals on one side and just letters on this side. So it is a matching game. Maya, can you pick up the box? Let me read the
Okay.
instructions. Thank you.
And say, don't compare.
Okay. Thank you, Maya. So this game includes 52 double-sided tiles to match together. You can choose either side. You can choose to match uppercase with lowercase or match the animal pictures to their names. So that's all we're doing basically. So Maya, how are we going to do this? Do you want to do the animals or the letters?
Animals.
Animals. So let me just turn it
And
over.
you didn't say don't compare.
Okay, don't compare. So we are just going to turn them over. There are lots and lots of cards here, isn't there, Maya?
What about these?
So yeah, so you put it on the side of the animal names, yeah? And then you need to try and find the animals, okay? So let's turn them first. Let's turn them all.
That's a big one.
You see penguin, good. Penguin begins with what sound? Good girl. That's it. So, yeah, that's good. Split them all up. So, maybe when you are trying to do this, get a bigger table. I didn't think about that.
Mommy, there are lots of pieces.
Yes, there is. So, Maya, let's start with an easy one. Can you find me the tiger? Tiger, okay. What sound does tiger begin with? Oh, yeah. But the letter sound you hear at the beginning is good girl. So can you see the letter sound? Let's look for the letter. Can you see the t? So
Found it.
So it can be so it can be a little bit tricky if you have too many cards. So maybe I would suggest to. Well done, Maya. Now you put them together. Can you match them up here in front of you? Put them together. Turn it round. Need to see the animal. Turn it around. Turn it around. See the animal. Yeah. Match them together. As you can see, she's having lots of fun. Okay. Well done. Tiger, letter sound. Good girl. So we just put that aside because we don't really have space on our table, do we, Maya? So now, let's see which other animal Maya wants to do. Should we do the... Oh! You want to do those? What's this?
Horsey.
Horsey. It's actually a unicorn.
Yeah.
No, you don't have to look. Yeah, there's unicorns on your...
I found it.
Yes, you did. So she's just pointing at the unicorn on her.
I found it in room.
Yeah, you did,
I
Maya.
found 2.
So where's the card to match with a unicorn? Begins with oh. Oh. Unicorn. Can you put them together, Maya? The unicorn and the name. Put them together.
Found it.
Yeah, match them up.
Oh.
Oh, Maya. Turn to the picture.
I found it.
You did.
Oh.
It's not oh, Maya. Look. Try it again. Oh. Close. We'll keep trying. Well done. Match them together.
Turn it over.
Let's have a look. Turn this one over. This one over like that. And put the picture like that. Well done. Turn this one over to put unicorn. Turn it. Yeah, good. Well done, Maya. This also helps with the motor skills, as you can see.
I can do it.
You can do it. Well done. Wonderful. So,
What's next?
next, shall we do... Let's have a look. Let's have a look what I can see. I can see...
A tiger.
That's a lion.
A lion.
Lion, okay. Lion begins with what sound? Lion. Lion. What sound is it?
Lick a lollipop.
Yeah. We lick our lollipops. Wonderful. So can you find No, close. That's very close. It does have the curly. Ooh, show mommy. Yeah, it says lion. Can you match them up together? Just
Yeah.
right there.
Here.
The other side.
Okay. And this.
Yeah, like this. Put the picture up and the name. The name. Where's the name lion? Turn it over. This one. No, that one's fine. Well done, Maya. Turn this one over. Like that. Yeah. Ooh. Can you say it? Ling. Beautiful.
What's next?
Next, let's have a look. Can we do frog? Can you find the frog? Where is the frog?
Found it.
The frog, Maya. Where is the picture of the frog?
Found it.
Well done. Now, can you find the letter sound? Well done. Frog. Can you say?
Turn it over.
Can you say frog?
Froggy.
Yeah. Good girl.
Froggy is go here.
Yes, it does. Perhaps, thank you, Maya. Perhaps next time what we could do, Maya, is put the pictures on one side and just the letters on the other side. Should we find the cat?
Yeah.
Cat? Where's the picture of the cat?
found it.
Well done. And cat begins with what sound, Maya?
Meow, meow, meow.
Yes, that is correct. That is the sound that the cat makes. But what letter sound does it begin with? Cat. Well done. Can you show it? Let me see. Right here. Let me see. Put it on your board. Let me see. Cat. Well done. Can you match them together?
Yeah. Turn it over. Turn it over. See, it's match.
Yes, it does. Hooray. Well done, Maya. I'm so proud of you. Should we have a look? Oh, you want to look for the B?
Yeah.
Okay. B begins with what sound? Yes, that's the sound that the bee makes. Zzz. But B begins with the letter sound.
Buh, buh, buh.
Wonderful, Maya. That is
Bring a bat and bring a ball to the party play.
awesome. So can you find the letter B, 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 B?
B.
Yes, it is there, but you need to find the other matching to match.
B, B, B.
Put it on the board. Let's have a look if you... Yes, it does match.
See, it's match.
Yes, it does. Lovely. This is awesome, Maya.
Yeah.
Thank you. Which one? Let's have a look. Ooh, let's have a look at all the animals.
I want duck.
Duck. Okay. Duck begins with what sound, Maya?
Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack. But the sound the duck begins with is...
Eh, eh, eh. B, d, d, d.
Yes. D, 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 d.
Can't find that.
Not da. D, d, d.
D, d,
Duck.
D, d.
Yes.
Duck.
Duck.
The duck is in the woods.
Yes, the duck is in the woods.
I need to wee fast.
Okay, so we are going to stop here. Maya needs a wee. But as you can see, it's lots of fun. She was able to use some of her phonics that we do together. We use Jolly Phonics. I'll put the link as well for that. Yes, she needs the toilet. Bye. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button and click on the notification button. Bye.